नाज़रीन 87 न्यूज दुबई के ब्यूरो चीफ शेख तारिक नदीम हमें इस वक्त रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। आइए जानते हैं इनकी रिपोर्ट।
Thank you very much. More thing because my friends they already said a lot of things, but just I want to say that Dubai and UAE is the best place to do something this kind of thing. You know, like all over the world they have exhibitions, but what Dubai they have exhibitions you cannot compare. Alhamdulillah. So this is the right place and right things they are doing. And not only this, they are doing exhibitions. I mean, we, Emirati, we will love to support them. And anyone will do anything in Dubai and UAE, any kind of exhibition.
कहता हूँ, तो मैं बताता चलूँ कि ये जो क्रिप्टो हम कर रहे हैं करेंसी की एक्सपो हो रही है, ये मिडिल ईस्ट की सबसे बड़ी एक्सपो होगी और ये 27 और 28 नवंबर को ये दुबई में की जाएगी और इंशाल्लाह इसमें दुनिया की जो क्रिप्टो बनाने वाली कंपनी है वो शरीक होंगी। तो मजीद डिटेल
So to cover, as Dubai is the hub of GCC market, so we have planned this expo in Dubai to bring all the cryptocurrency companies at the same platform, at single platform, to explain about their packages, about the usage of their currencies, so that they can convince or they can market their currency to the consumers and to the investors. So inshallah we are hoping it a very good and very healthy platform for this market also and for the cryptocurrency companies. So we are just waiting for the we have already announced this we have already announced the dates, that is 27 and 28 November of 2018. And mainly just we have invited around 30 cryptocurrencies are already engaged in this expo, and we are contacting other cryptocurrencies also to come and explain their market, their cryptocurrency and their packages and their investment plans.